Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is making testing your pool super easy. So this is a pool strip set by a company called Merydi. This is the little container it comes in. It comes with 150 strips, super easy to use. You're simply going to take out a single strip and you're going to dip it in the water for 2 seconds, and then you're going to wait about 30 seconds after it's out of the water. Now on the side of the bottle here, you're going to see all the different chemicals that it's going to test. So it's going to test 7 different chemicals. It's going to test your total hardness, your free chlorine, your bromine, your total chlorine, your cyanic acid, your total alkalinity, and your pH balance. So you get all the quick tests, so that way you know exactly how to treat your pool. It's very easy to read. As far as a little container here, you're just going to want to store that in a cool and dry environment. So don't keep this outside. Don't keep this in your garage. Keep it kind of maybe in the house or something in a cabinet. So that way, because if moisture gets on the little tags, that would ruin them. Also, when you're pulling them out, you want to make sure you're not touching also the little pads because then you can mess up the chemicals that are on there. So just keep those 2 things in mind. But very easy to utilize, and it's been pretty accurate compared to when I take it into the store with the big professional machine. So I am very pleased with this setup, and for all those reasons, I do recommend it. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.